Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable auto pause training on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. So firstly, let's start any workout, and for this simply swipe left from the watch face to open tiles. And here you can see many types of workouts, but for now let's choose walking for example. And now after 3 seconds, this will be started immediately. But if your watch will detect that you are not moving, the workout will be paused automatically. So let's change this setting. For this, just swipe right to open settings, and now scroll a bit to see this auto pause section. And just tap on the switcher to disable it. And now your watch will not pause when you stopped moving. If you want to enable it again, just simply tap on the switcher once more. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable auto pause training on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.